This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Steve Zilberer. This 4-bedroom home located in Rolling Meadows, built in 1976, has had only one owner. Updated nicely over the past few years, you will find the main level has a living room with wood-burning fireplace, kitchen that was updated in 2003 with quartz countertops and is open to a dining area, then with walkout to a deck, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths and laundry, all on the main level. The upper level has 2 large bedrooms and full bath. The lower level has a large game/media room and unfinished area for storage. This home also has an attached 2-car garage, fenced yard, storage shed, updated Pella windows, and updated HVAC. For more information, review the details below.